This is a Suncast 160-gallon outdoor storage box. This thing is awesome for keeping our patio furniture, cushions dry and away from the weather. This is weather resistant, so it's going to keep everything dry. It's also UV protected, so it's not going to fade over time. We've had this for 5 years now, and it's the same color that we got it. It is about 27 inches tall, 29 inches wide, and 55 inches long. So it's got plenty of storage in here to keep all your cushions and other things that you have on your patio dry when it's raining. Comes with a handle on either side to make it easy to move when you need to move it around your patio. Make sure to empty things out of it first because it could be a little bit heavy. It's really easy to assemble this Suncast 160-gallon storage container. Comes with these spring-loaded shocks, so it's easy to open it and close it. It's not all made from plastic. There are some metal support pieces in here. And then you can use the clasp here if you want to put a padlock on here to hold the lid closed. If you're looking for a good quality deck box to keep your deck furniture cushions dry and other things that you keep outside, I'd highly recommend you get one of these Suncast 160-gallon plastic deck boxes.